In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable accounting in settings. We're going to walk through a simple three-part process so you can turn on the accounting feature with confidence. I'll explain what to look for on the screen, how to find the right area, and what to expect once it's enabled. First, head to Settings on the left side of your screen. Most platforms place the main navigation menu in a vertical bar on the left, and the Settings option is typically labeled clearly, sometimes with a gear icon. If your sidebar is collapsed, hover over it or expand it so you can see the full list. If you still don't see settings, check whether your window is zoomed in too far or whether your role has access to settings. Admin or manager level permissions are often required, and that's normal for anything that changes how features behave. Once you're in settings, look for the section dedicated to accounting. Depending on your layout, accounting may appear as its own tab, a subsection within finance or billing, or a page category in a settings list. Many systems also include a search bar inside settings. Typing accounting there can help you jump straight to it. When you land on the accounting area, take a moment to review the options on the page so you're familiar with what enabling it will affect. You might see related preferences like currency, tax, or ledger options presented nearby, but you only need to turn on the main feature right now. Now enable it by clicking on the switch. The toggle usually sits near the top of the page or next to a label that reads Accounting. When you click it, you should see a clear visual change, such as the switch moving to the right, changing color, or displaying an on status. Many platforms save this setting automatically. You might notice a quick confirmation message indicating the change is active. If the interface gives you a brief note or a status indicator, wait until it completes so the update sticks. After it's on, you may see additional accounting-related options become available. That's a good sign that everything is working. And that's it. You clicked settings on the left side, navigated to accounting, and enabled it using the switch. If accounting doesn't appear, double-check your role permissions or reach out to an administrator